Hopefully this is set right. Hey guys, Airsoft Fatty. I figured I'd do this quick update while before we do this review. For the past week, I've been very ill. I've been in and out of the hospital this whole week, and twice to be exact. Once in an ambulance, once to the ER. I've had an extreme case of bronchitis, and it's put me down for quite some time. It's about 5 in the afternoon, and I'm just now like up for the past 2 hours and just finding strength now to do this review. Because otherwise I'd still be laying down, still chilling. But I figured I'd give you this quick update, because I know some of you guys follow me on Facebook and I give you a basic rundown what happened. But I'm not going to dove too far into it. I'm just letting you guys know here on YouTube, in case none of you follow me on Facebook. The reason that you guys haven't seen a video in like 2 weeks is plain and simple, I've been sick. I have some gameplay footage I might upload later on, I don't know, it's kind of iffy. But let's get to the review. Grab the thing of ring gas. Today's actually a very cool review, if I may say so myself. Of course, it's not the coolest review ever. This is a review of the UHC. I believe this should be the 8-inch version. I could be wrong. The UHC gas-powered revolver. Alright. So, let's take a look at the box. It is literally just a bit of cardboard. The box looks pretty good. Not too flashy. And it literally just covers a thing of styrofoam. Like, legit. That's all it is. You can pick this up for about 50 bucks on e-like. I got mine for 42 off a guy on Craigslist. This is new condition. He used it like maybe 4 times. Totally said. This one has hop-up. Well, apparently it does. I can't find the hop-up. So this is a lie. This is a lie. There is no hop-up. Which I will be contacting UHC and telling them, hey, you know, this is bullshit. There should be hop-up, and you're advertising hop-up. There's no hop-up. Specialized in .20 bullets. Okay. I mean, I'm glad they don't sell these on store shelves, because I mean, parents might say bullets. Oh, these are bullets, not BBs. As you see, Power Green Gas is the best choice for UHC gas pistols. I don't know this company, and I don't trust it. I've been using mainly Valken Tactical and Valken Tactical BBs. It's worked so far pretty well, if you ask me. It's been pretty damn accurate. So you got the 3 different revolvers. There's the snub nose, 6-inch, 8-inch. There's UHC plastered pretty much once in every spot, made in Taiwan. Again, this is a Taiwanese gun, so do not expect the best. Features: designed with rotating cylinder system like the real revolver. Unique swing action cylinder design simulates the real revolver. It's not unique. Okay. A good 60% of revolvers use the same system that this gun uses. 6 cartridges per cylinder, just like the revolver. That is true. Adjustable rear sight and matte black finish. Black finish is real. Adjustable rear sight, again, false advertisement. So I'm telling you guys what's real and what's not. Spring cocking air piston system. No, it's not. This is a 1-stage, 2-stage trigger. This here is a green gas powered gun, not a spring gun. And a 1:1 real scale. I mean, basic size, yeah, but the weight, definitely not. I've felt a real revolver about this size, and trust me, it's a hell of a lot heavier than this. And it says revolver gun airtight. Alright, UHC, learn to fucking do a box. Talk to J&G. Falcon Tactical. They'll fucking tell you how to make a box. Again, art style looks nice. I mean, this looks like a professional box for a good gun. But you brand it wrong. Like, you say there's hop-up and there's not. Don't lie. Don't plaster that on there if there's no hop-up. Don't say what type of green gas is best for the gun. Let the people choose. And put it down as a revolver green gas type. You know, maybe that'll be a bit better. On the side here, it says warning. Ages 18 plus to purchase. I'd give this gun to a fucking 10-year-old. I'm going to be honest. It's weak. It's just about 200 FPS and it's advertised around 315. Again, another lie, but whatever. Follow all operation safety instructions. Always true about any airsoft gun. Follow all air gun laws and regulations. Yes. The more basic one's the one you just follow. Usually, wherever you grew up, you know. Must wear eye protection. That is true, however, I will not be shooting it close enough towards me to bounce hit my eyes, but always wear eye protection. I've got some over there on my grill. Don't point or shoot at people or animals. Now, let me say something. It's an airsoft gun. There's airsoft wars. You ever think UHC that people are going to use these for airsoft wars? No. I would say something like, do not shoot at what you don't intend to shoot. That would be a bit more informative. Alright. Choking hazard contains small parts. Keep out of reach of small children. You know what, UHC? I'll give that to you. You made her smart there. So enough. Let's get into the unboxing. Again, just put this somewhere so I can get ruined. UHC again, learn to package. I mean, it's snug. I mean, if it would be ground ship, that'd be great, but flight, not. This gun comes with, underneath here, I think, 200 BBs. I just put some of my .25s in here. I got rid of the BBs that came with the visibly small seams in them. So, if you were smart enough to save your $50, say you're using this as your sidearm like I am for right now, because I don't have $200 to go spend on a sidearm. I had like 50 bucks on me, so I was like, okay, I'll get this. You know, toss out the BBs that it comes with. Use your .2s and .25s. First off, let's look at the casings it uses. Because yes, these use simulated bullets. Comes with 8. Only uses 6. This here is the bullet. Size of my finger. You would put the BB back here, just gently, and then you just insert it into the gun. I'll say the bullets look pretty realistic when you first look at them, but I mean, it's just plastic, so I mean, once you touch them and you get real close, you can just see it's visibly plaster and not metal, like a lot of guns use. And even airsoft guns, I've seen plenty of them use metal. Let's look at the gun. Okay, let's look at markings. Look at that. Not very many markings. I mean, I'm not going to complain. Right here it says Marcus. Right here it says Marcus registered. Springfield, Mass. ASOR. It has UHC on both sides of the grip. And that's it. I mean, you got that right. Again, this is a 2-stage trigger. You can pull the trigger, or you can pull that back. Sights are pretty good. They're standard pistol sights. Revolver. I'll take you guys off so you can see somewhat of what I see. As you can see, those are the sights. And you look down here at the orange. And you just kind of point and shoot. How long we can go on? Got a few minutes left. So that's pretty basic. About 5 minutes left before it stops. To fill up the gas, you fill up the bottom here. Really doesn't take much. Cylinder does come out. You push this button here. Push. Now my only complaint about this cylinder is sometimes it won't spin and cycle through all the way. When you do, you just fidget around for a second and it'll go back. So let's load this up with some BBs. Shoot off a round or two. And then this will be it for the review, I guess. So as you can see, this is not necessarily a feasible thing for milsim or really for any type of battles, because it takes so damn long to load. However, if you're just in your backyard, you're looking for a gun to shoot, hell, I would say this. Or even as a backup to your backup. I would fucking suggest this, really. It's not the best thing in the world. I'm not going to sit here and praise it like it's the best thing on earth. No, there are pistols that do the job way better. But, I can't complain when there's a gun that works. I'll fill up the gas. This one leaks gas. This is why I haven't gassed it before the video. Because it does leak gas a little bit. I gotta find out what's going on there. And when it gets that loud, then we'll just point in. And as you saw, I mean, it's pretty accurate. Not much to it. So we're just gonna waste the gas. I mean, it takes a lot of shots before it runs out of gas, trust me. I mean, hell, you can probably get 2 or 3 loads out of this before you finally run out of gas. And you push this, and it pushes your shells out. And every so often, one shell gets stuck underneath the pusher. And this is how I deal with it. All the other shells out. Push up. Get that shell to go up a little bit. Then this is a fucking pain. There. This should do it. Come on, damn it. Yeah, the shell. Yeah. So as you can see, like I said, there's guns that do a lot better job at this. Damn it, I just had a lot of nails. Damn it. Damn it. Come on, you bitch. This is the bullet it came with. I don't get why it doesn't want to come out now. There we go, broke it. Yeah! Fucking UHC, man! Where's the bullet that I used?